this is Tiffany, and today we're going to be talking about having a baby on a budget. This past year, we had our first child. He's now 8 months old, and there are a few things that we did in preparation that helped us save hundreds of dollars on items that we felt that we needed for him. So today I would like to take you through some of those and share them with you because I'm so glad I stumbled upon them, and I hope that they are helpful for you as well. The first one is a book that I recommend that you read. It's not a long read, it's really easy to get through, and it's called The Minimalist Mom. And this is for anybody, I think, whether you are interested in minimalism or not, because one of the things that she goes through that I found really helpful was she kind of goes through what you actually need for a baby. And then she also goes through things that you might want and kind of helps you think through, okay, would this work for my life or would it not work for my life? And so I found that very helpful. I'll link it in the description below, but it's called The Minimalist Mom. So the second thing that I want to share with you today is actually probably the thing that saved us the most money in literally hundreds of dollars. It is a free browser plugin called Honey. And I'll link it on the video as well as in the description below because you cannot afford to be shopping online without this plugin. It is amazing. So originally I saw ads for the plugin on Facebook and I was curious, so I downloaded it. I just so happened to be doing all of our shopping for baby around that same time. And I was on Amazon and I was filling up the cart with the things that we needed after going through Minimalist Mom and kind of deciding what I thought we actually needed, and the cart ended up being over $900. Using the plugin, I ended up checking that cart out on Amazon for less than $500, and I did not get rid of things in the cart. It was the plugin actually helped me find cheaper versions of the exact same items listed from different sellers on Amazon. So let me explain to you how the plugin works because it's really cool and it doesn't just work on Amazon. Basically, it is a browser plugin. It's completely free. Again, I'm linking it on the video as well as in the description below. It automatically checks for promo codes or discounts when you are on a website and you are checking out. It works on most websites. There might be some smaller websites that it doesn't work in, but for the most part, places that I have been shopping online, I do notice that it does work. And it checks for promo codes or discounts. If there are any valid promo codes or discounts, it will find them and apply them to your order so that you're always getting the best pricing when you're shopping online. What I really like is how it's deeply integrated with Amazon, because what it does is it finds you the best price for that exact same item across all of Amazon. So for example, maybe you want to buy some wipes and you put those wipes in your cart, and you can go to the cart in your Amazon cart, and next to the price, it'll tell you if that item has had recent price changes. So maybe it's not the best time to buy because the price is high and it might be low in the future. Or it tells you if you have the best deal on Amazon, which means that from that seller, that's the best price for that exact item. Or it'll tell you how much you can save if you purchase the exact same item from a different seller. And then you just click on it and it automatically puts that in your shopping cart. It switches it out so that you are now saving. It does take into consideration shipping as well. So it tells you the total price, not just the price for the item. So like I said, when we used it on Amazon, I literally saved hundreds of dollars on our baby order, and we use it all the time. It works to find discounts and promo codes when you go to checkout on other websites as well. It's been completely invaluable. I'm gonna link it in the description. And again, like, I don't know how anybody shops online without this because it's that amazing. And it literally saved us hundreds of dollars when we were purchasing baby stuff. And since then, with all the other stuff that we purchased, we've literally saved probably over $1,000, if not more, online in the last year just using this browser plugin, and it's completely free. So I really, really hope that you check it out. Again, we're gonna link it on the video as well as in the description. Those are the two biggest tips that I have for having a baby on a budget. They worked really well for us, and I hope they work for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have somebody that could benefit from it, please share it with them. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for this channel after you've subscribed, because there's new videos that will be coming out. And I can't wait to see you in the comment section. Let me know what your budget tips for babies are. Let me know if you download the plugin and how much it saves you. Like I said, it saved us hundreds, now it's saved us thousands of dollars. I love it so much. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.